Heyo, what's up you guys? So today I'm going to be making boba milk tea cupcakes and I'm very excited because I really like boba. And I got this boba pack. Usually I get it at like an Asian market, like 99 ranch. And then also like you're gonna need like a milk tea, instant milk tea pouch. So also you could get in an Asian market, but I'll list all the ingredients and the directions down below too. So let's get to it. So first I'm going to make the boba where, so most of the boba it's like different directions, so I'm just following the pack and everything. And so I'm just gonna do probably like around half a cup of boba because it's just gonna go inside the cupcakes. And so I'm waiting for the water to boil right now. So I also heated up water so I can make my milk tea. And I'm just going to add 1 milk tea packet, they look like this, into the hot water. And if I can figure out how to open them. And then I'm just gonna pour it in. Then I'm going to mix it up with a knife. That's all. So next I'm going to sift all the dry ingredients together, and I may speed this process up because yeah, it's gonna take me a while to mix everything. So 1.5 cups flour. So I've been really excited because my school is planning to go back during fall semester, and there's going to be a lot of safety regulations of course, but it's really fun because I'll be able to see my friends and stuff. A spoon so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So I'm using a 4th teaspoon right now. That's why I'm doing 4. So 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then after that's all sifted together, I'm gonna go into another bowl. I'm gonna add in the butter. Preferably you want the butter room temperature or a little melted because you're gonna be creaming it with the sugar. Just gonna use the same knife from the milk tea and just cube it a little bit so it's easier to mix. Yeah, I'm not gonna put that in milk tea. Then I'm gonna add 1 cup of sugar. Probably should have used a bigger bowl. Yikes. Figure this out. Yep, should have used a bigger bowl. Oops. So just make sure you use a big bowl when you're doing this. Yikes. that, I realized my water is boiling now. So I'm just going to add in some boba into it. You can never have too much boba. My motto, at least. That's pretty much creamed up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 eggs. Oh snap. And you want to beat in each individual egg, like one at a time. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to alternate adding in each of the ingredients into this bowl. I'm going to add like probably like a third of the dry ingredients. I'm gonna mix. Okay, and I'm gonna add a third of the milk tea. And you're just gonna continue that until all the ingredients are used. So once you're finished, your batter should look like this. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna line my pan. Or I'm gonna spray it because I don't have cupcake liners. Okay. And then I usually use an ice cream scooper to put in the batter because it's a lot easier. So since I'm using a mini cupcake tray, I'm just gonna use like half of the ice cream scooper, like fill half of the ice cream scooper so it would fit. So now I filled all my cupcake trays. I had to use a bigger pan too because this wasn't enough. But yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on the boba because it finally finished cooking. So I put it in a bath of cold water and I'm gonna drain it right now, and then I'm gonna add some honey and then brown sugar. Now I'm just going to scoop in 2 to 3 bobas per cupcake. Just put it in there. Yeah, and I'm trying to put it in the middle so it's not sitting on top. So once you put all your boba into your cupcakes, you're going to bake it for about 17 minutes. So I'm going to do that and I'll get back to you. So here is the final product. I coated it with honey on top and also powdered sugar, and I also made my boba. It's a chai tea latte. So I'm going to try one. And so there's boba in the middle of them, like as you can see. But yeah. It's really good. Like, it's super moist, which I really like, and the honey is really good. And now I'm gonna try the part with the boba. The boba is a good texture. It's nice and chewy, but it's a little off-putting because like it's like a little different texture than the cupcake. But all in all, I think this is a success. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.